under their curse.
We got exhaust fan motor change out. I'll bring you guys along. I got tippins, I got the motor, rubber glubber, grab the GoPro, maybe I get some headshots for you guys. Let's get up there. She's noisy. I got the new one here. I think we're 460 volt on this one too. Check my incoming voltage in this line load 3-pole switch. I go line to line. This one's going to be 215 volts, 3-phase. You want to go line to ground, see if you have a stinger leg. No stinger leg. So 208 volts, 3-phase. And we could do some pre-wiring on our new motor. Okay, the other thing I want to see is I want to see how many amps I'm pulling off this old one. 2.6. So that pulley's about maxed out. For speed, 2.6 amps, I could go up to 3.1. A little bit of wiggle room. Bit of wiggle room. Now the other thing we're going to have to take into consideration when we get it back up and running is the rotation. And this fan rotates this way. And I had put a little arrow there to mark it, and I checked it with the old fan. So now we can rip this thing apart. Oh yeah, motor bearings. Let's get some wrenches going. And I'll get some stuff out of the way here. Might need the old croissant wrench, that French wrench, the croissant wrench. And it should be 1/2 inch. Let's take a look here. Yeah. 1/2 inch. That's just spinning from convection. Let's see if I got it loose enough for the finger bang. All right, let me get these 4 bolts out, and then we'll work on getting this this pulley off. I got a puller down in the truck. Too much room on the wiring here. I could take it apart, I guess. You know, it might be easier if I just took it off of here and then just take all this out, take the whole motor out to play with it. And with this connector, I should be able to do that. What did they do here? Oh, it looks like they had a boo-boo on their wiring. How funky. Wow, check that out. Okay. Check this out. out. They must have cut one short and then added a chunker lunker right there. See that? This is what you find out there. Chunker lunker. And I was thinking I'd go like this, take the elbow off from right here like this. Yeah, we'll go one at a time through here. There. Now I'm thinking we just take the motor out. We got something to play with. Let's see. Yep. Now we got something to play with. Right there. Isn't that nicer? Let's see. I got my pulley off. Got my puller right here. You're gonna need a puller to get the sheave off. Got it wired. I got this new piece of cord because that flex broke. And that flex wasn't rain tight and it sits outside anyways. This is a rain tight SO cord, so, and then the wire's thicker too on this. This is some big gauge wire right here. And it's only pulling 2.6 amps. Okay. Now I want to get the motor back in. We might have to adjust the sheave on the shaft saws because the motor is not, they changed the model. It's, you know, sometimes they don't line up and you have to line them up. And I have a level for that too. But let's get it mounted. Let's get the wires hooked back up and then we'll work on leveling out the pulleys. It is the direct replacement motor for that unit. And even though it's got some differences to it, it matched right up. Unbelievable. The footprint, the sheaves lined up, everything. So now I just got to wire this thing up and then amp it out. Also, on these adjustable sheaves, if you open them up, it slows the motor down. If you close them, they go faster. The faster it goes, the more amp draw it pulls. Now I noticed this sheave was set at its maximum, so they're trying to get as much air out of those hoods as they can. Okay, it is a three-phase fan, so you have to check rotation. If you get the wrong rotation, all you have to do is switch any two wires on the load side, not the line side, unless you got the breaker off, right? Because those will be hot. But look at the amp draw. It's absolutely the same as the old motor. So much quieter and better now. Look at that. So much better. Like a new fan. Go ahead and leave a little note on here in case somebody else is working on it next time. 208, 230, three-phase, 2.6 amps. And that's maxed out. Doing it. Oh, it's another awesome day here in Santa Cruz. What is it, October, late October? Just, man, this is when we get our best weather. It's killer. All right, I'm gonna get this all back together.